Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, I have a nice video for you guys, like always. Today we're talking about the LG Stylo 5. So yes guys, there is finally a good promotion with the LG Stylo 5. Now there are some requirements to this, so you already know. Let's dig into it. But if you go to boostmobile.com right now, and this offer is good only in-store guys. So you cannot get this offer through boostmobile.com. You actually have to go through a retail store or an agent store. Most of them are agent locations, so that's where you're gonna have to go. AKA go to your local Boost Mobile store and you will be able to get this deal. So let's get into it guys. So it says 4 free LG Stylo 5s. So remember before it was the LG Stylo 4, but now because the LG Stylo 5's out, Boost Mobile's run this promotion again, and a lot of other carriers are doing it, like Metro and I believe Cricket. Cricket wouldn't be doing something like this, Metro would. So let's get into it. So let's click learn more. So as you can see, exclusive in-store offers. So let's check it out. So you might be saying, ooh, free is good. Yes, but like I said, there are some requirements to these. So you're gonna save a lot of money. Speaking about saving money, let's go ahead and talk about our number one sponsor now, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic so you guys can start saving. It's free. You put it on your web browser guys. There's also an extension now for iPhones, but use my link in the description below. Sign up. It's totally free, and when you make your first purchase, I get a commission bonus for that guys, and that helps me bring more content to you guys like this. So like I said, use my referral link at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to save more. So thank you. Now let's go ahead into the video guys, and sorry if I sound a little sleepy. I don't know if you can tell, but my eyes are drowsy. I'm very sleepy. I want to sleep. Yesterday at like 2:30 in the morning, had to wake up like at 6. So sorry if I look a little sleepy and sound a little sleepy, but the show must go on. Let's get into it. So 4 free LG Stylo 5s when you switch. So there's the big right there elephant in the room guys. It must be a switcher offer. So if you currently have Boost Mobile, you cannot take advantage of this offer. Now if you have friends or family members, you know, this is perfect time to start a family plan. Like let's say you already have Boost Mobile, maybe your little brother has Metro and he wants LG Stylo 5. You can get it for free when he switches over to Boost Mobile. Let's look at some of the requirements. So let's go ahead and scroll down. So here it is guys. Check this out. So it says 1 free phone, port in max 4 per account. So the max LG Stylo 5s that you can get basically is 4. So if you have a family plan of 4, let's say a Metro or Cricket, and everybody ports in, then guys, you can take advantage of this deal. So yes, all 4 lines can get a free LG Stylo 5. Now this offer is valid starting July 30th, which basically is already a couple days behind, or already passed, should I say. It goes on until September 16, 2019. So this deal is going on for over a month and a half almost, guys. Very good deal. It says limited 1 device per line, requires eligible port and activation on eligible plans of $50 or higher. So you must have a data plan of $50 or higher, guys. Remember, if you do a family plan, instead of $50, the second line you only pay $30 while supplies last. Select markets/retailers only, excludes boostmobile.com or national retailers. National retailers will be something like, you know, like Walmart or Target or whatever. It says select models only, no substitutions, cashback, credit, or rainy checks may not be combined with any other offer. So basically it's saying if you have a different company, like I said, Verizon, AT&T, US Cellular, Cricket, it doesn't matter as long as it's not Sprint related. If you port your number in, bring your number over to us to Boost Mobile, then you can go ahead and get an LG Stylo 5, which is a pretty nice phone, guys, for free. All you will have to do is just pay, you know, the activation fee is, and of course the plan and some taxes there and there. So not bad at all. Let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. A lot more news coming your way, and I am working on some more videos with the LG Stylo 5 and also with the Samsung Galaxy A20. So more to come your way. You guys are in the correct spot to learn more and watch more videos of mine. So thank you guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I'm about to go get some sleep because, like I said, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm very, very tired. I'm ready to hit the hay, like they said, and I gotta go to work tomorrow. So it was a busy day at work. So thank you for watching, guys. Like I said, check out Honey, 100% free to support the channel, or you can check out netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $65 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. Or you can now click the join button. All that will be in the description below. Like I said, good night, guys. Even though it's, God, what time is it? Like 7. But man, it's hard to keep my eyes open. I'm so sleepy. So good night.